Your eyes are your window to the world, and keeping them healthy is one of the most important investments you can make in your overall well-being. As we age, many people notice changes such as blurry vision, difficulty reading, sensitivity to light, or even dryness in the eye. While some of these changes are natural, the foods we eat play a powerful role in either protecting or harming our eyesight. Science has shown that certain nutrients, like vitamin A, vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids, lutein, and zeaxanthin, are crucial for maintaining strong vision, reducing the risk of cataracts, and preventing age-related macular degeneration. Unfortunately, most people don't consume enough of these essential nutrients in their daily meal. The good news is that nature has already provided us with simple and delicious solutions, foods that can dramatically improve your eye health when added consistently to your diet. In this video, we'll explore 8 of the most effective foods for protecting and strengthening your vision. These aren't expensive supplements or complicated recipes. They're everyday items you can easily find in your kitchen or local market. By the end, you'll know exactly what to eat to keep your eyes sharp, your vision clear, and your future bright. So, stay tuned and let's uncover the natural foods that can truly transform your eye health. Number 1, carrot. Carrots are one of the most famous foods for eye health, and for good reason. They are packed with beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that your body converts into retinol, which is essential for good vision. Vitamin A helps your retina absorb light and supports low light vision, making carrots especially important for preventing night blindness. In addition, carrots are loaded with antioxidants that protect your eyes from free radical damage, which can contribute to conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Eating carrots regularly doesn't just improve vision clarity, it also strengthens the cornea and keeps your eyes lubricated. One medium carrot can provide more than 200% of your daily vitamin A requirement. Carrots are also versatile. You can snack on them raw, toss them into a salad, or cook them in stews and soups. Pairing carrots with a source of healthy fat like olive oil or nuts helps your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamin A more effectively. While eating carrots alone won't give you superhuman vision, they are one of the easiest and most effective foods to support healthy eyesight. Including carrots in your diet consistently is a simple way to protect your vision for years to come. Spinach is a leafy green powerhouse when it comes to eye protection. It's especially rich in 2 antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are concentrated in the macula of the eye. These compounds act like natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light from screens, and the Sunday studies show that diets high in lutein and zeaxanthin significantly reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Spinach is also an excellent source of vitamin C, which fights oxidative stress, and vitamin E, which further strengthens eye tissues. The high levels of iron and folate in spinach also support better blood flow to the eyes, ensuring they get enough oxygen and nutrient. Eating just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides 20 milligrams of lutein and zeaxanthin, enough to meet your daily needs. To maximize benefits, pair spinach with eggs or avocado, which help absorb its fat-soluble nutrients. Whether you enjoy spinach in a salad, smoothie, or sautéed with garlic, this leafy green is a must-have for long-term vision health. Adding spinach to your weekly meals is a natural way to protect your eyes against modern-day challenges like excessive screen use and aging. Number 3, fish. Cold water fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna are among the best foods for eye health because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 seconds reduce inflammation, support retinal function, and protect against dry eye syndrome. DHA, a type of omega-3 found in fish, is a structural component of the retina. Without enough DHA, vision problems can develop over time. Studies have shown that people who consume fish at least twice a week have a much lower risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. In addition, omega-3 seconds improve tear production, which prevents irritation, redness, and blurry vision caused by dry eyes. If you don't like fish, you can still get omega-3 seconds from flax seeds, chia seeds, or walnuts, but fish remains the most potent source. Grilled, baked, or poached fish should be a staple in your diet, not only for eye health, but also for heart and brain function. Even a small serving of salmon provides your eyes with the essential fatty acids they need to stay hydrated and sharp. Number 4, eggs. Eggs are another excellent food for vision, especially the yolks. They contain lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, which are essential for keeping your retina strong and preventing macular degeneration. Zinc in particular helps vitamin A create melanin, the pigment that protects your eyes from harmful UV rays. Eggs are also a great source of high-quality protein, which supports eye tissue repair. Unlike some vegetables, the nutrients in eggs are highly bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb them more efficiently. Eating just 1 or 2 eggs per day can provide a significant amount of lutein and zinc needed for optimal eye protection. Another benefit of eggs is their role in reducing the risk of cataracts. Research has shown that people who eat eggs regularly are less likely to develop clouding in the eye lens. You can prepare eggs in countless ways: boiled, scrambled, or as an omelette. Adding vegetables like spinach or tomatoes to your eggs boosts their eye-protecting power even more. This affordable, everyday food is one of the simplest ways to maintain healthy vision for the long run. Number 5, citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes are packed with vitamin C, one of the most powerful antioxidants for eye health. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining the structure of the cornea and blood vessels in the eyes. It also protects against oxidative damage that contributes to cataracts and age-related vision decline. Eating vitamin C-rich foods daily reduces the risk of macular degeneration by strengthening connective tissues and improving circulation to the retina. A single orange can provide more than 70% of your daily vitamin C requirement. In addition to this, citrus fruits are hydrating and help keep your eyes moisturized, reducing irritation and dryness. You can enjoy citrus fruits fresh, juiced, or even as zest in your meals. Combined with other antioxidants like vitamin E and zinc, vitamin C from citrus fruits works even better to protect your vision. If you're looking for a refreshing way to support your eye health, adding citrus fruits to your breakfast or snack routine is one of the easiest and most effective steps you can take. Number 6, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds are excellent for your eyes because they are loaded with vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that protects eye cells from free radical damage. Over time, oxidative stress can lead to cataracts and macular degeneration, but vitamin E slows down this process significantly. Omega-3 fatty acids from nuts and seeds also keep the retina healthy and prevent dry eye symptoms. Eating just a handful of nuts daily can provide enough vitamin E to cover more than half of your daily requirement. Almonds, in particular, are known to support sharp vision by protecting the tissues around the retina. Chia seeds and flax seeds are plant-based powerhouses that also provide protein and fiber, making them an all-round health booster. Sprinkle them over salads, blend them into smoothies, or eat them as a snack for a quick, eye-friendly boost. For those who don't eat fish, nuts and seeds are an excellent alternative to still get enough omega-3 second. Number 7, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are another rich source of beta-carotene, similar to carrots. This antioxidant is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is vital for preventing night blindness and supporting healthy vision. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and fiber, all of which contribute to overall eye health. Eating sweet potatoes regularly helps protect against macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. Unlike white potatoes, which are mostly starch, sweet potatoes provide a wealth of nutrients that support vision and overall health. A medium sweet potato can supply more than 400% of your daily vitamin A needs. Baking or roasting them with a small amount of olive oil helps maximize absorption of their nutrients. Their natural sweetness makes them a delicious and versatile food. You can enjoy them mashed, baked, or even in soups. For those looking to strengthen their eye health naturally, sweet potatoes are a filling and nutritious option. Number 8. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, especially the red, yellow, and orange varieties, are among the richest sources of vitamin C and beta-carotene. Just 1 cup of raw bell peppers provides more than twice your daily requirement of vitamin C, making them a top food for preventing cataracts and strengthening connective tissues in the eyes. They are also loaded with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect the retina from oxidative stress and filter harmful light. Bell peppers are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them a perfect snack or meal addition. Eating them raw in salads or lightly stir-fried helps preserve their vitamin C content. Red bell peppers in particular have the highest amount of nutrients beneficial for the eyes. Regularly eating bell peppers not only improves vision clarity but also boosts overall immunity and skin health, providing a double benefit. If you want to protect your eyes from aging and screen damage, bell peppers are a colorful and powerful addition to your diet. Your eyes are delicate organs, but with the right foods, you can keep them strong and healthy for life. From the beta-carotene in carrots and sweet potatoes, to the lutein and zeaxanthin in spinach and eggs, to the vitamin C in citrus fruits and bell peppers, every food we discussed today plays a vital role in protecting your eyesight. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your daily meals can reduce your risk of cataracts, macular degeneration, and other age-related eye problems. But beyond just eye health, these foods also contribute to your overall wellness, improving immunity, brain function, and energy levels. The key is consistency. Make them a regular part of your lifestyle instead of waiting until problems arise. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So, next time you plan your grocery list, think of your eyes and choose foods that will help you see the world more clearly for years to come. Stay healthy, stay consistent, and let your diet be the natural medicine that keeps your vision bright.